Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in into your WeChat account by scanning a QR code. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is open your WeChat account. Once you're here, you need to press on the me icon and then simply press on the QR icon besides your name. Once you do this, you need to select the My QR code option. Here you can find the scan option where you need to simply press on. So sideways, you need to open a web browser of your preference and type in www.web.wechat.com. So once you do so, you will be redirected to the official web login portal of the WeChat app. So here you can find the QR code on your screen, and now all you need to do is scan it from the scanner on your mobile phone. So after you scan the QR, you will get logged into your account from the website. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.